AutoTrendz, welcome to Start. Today we are stepping into a new chapter of luxury, technology, and intelligent performance with the 2026 Mercedes E-Class, a car that doesn't just follow the legacy of its predecessors but redefines what a modern executive sedan should feel like in an era driven by digital intelligence and refined comfort. The E-Class has always been the heart of Mercedes-Benz, balancing the opulence of the S-Class with the agility of the C-Class, and for 2026, Mercedes has pushed that balance to an entirely new level. From the very first glance, the 2026 Mercedes E-Class feels more confident, more futuristic, and more premium than ever before. The design philosophy leans heavily into smooth aerodynamics and elegant surfaces, giving the car a flowing, almost sculpted appearance. The front fascia is dominated by a refined version of the iconic Mercedes grille, now integrated seamlessly with advanced LED and optional digital light headlamps that can adapt their beam patterns in real time. These lights don't just illuminate the road, they communicate with it, adjusting to traffic, weather, and even projecting guidance visuals in certain driving scenarios. The side profile of the E-Class showcases a longer wheelbase and cleaner character lines, enhancing both its visual presence and interior space. Flush door handles, inspired by higher-end Mercedes models, improve aerodynamics while adding a premium touch. At the rear, slim LED taillights connected by a subtle light bar create a wide and planted stance, making the E-Class look just as impressive at night as it does during the day. Step inside the 2026 E-Class, and the transformation becomes even more dramatic. Mercedes has turned the cabin into a digital sanctuary, blending luxury craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. High-quality materials like fine leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and sustainable trims wrap around the interior, while ambient lighting with dozens of customizable colors sets the mood exactly the way you want it. Every surface feels deliberate, soft to the touch, and meticulously finished. The centerpiece of the interior is the latest evolution of the MBUX Superscreen, which stretches elegantly across the dashboard. This system combines a digital instrument cluster, a central infotainment display, and an optional passenger screen into one seamless glass panel. The interface is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever, powered by advanced AI that learns driver habits over time. Whether it's adjusting climate settings, suggesting navigation routes, or changing driving modes, the car begins to feel like a personal assistant rather than just a machine. Voice control in the 2026 E-Class reaches a new level of natural interaction. Simple phrases like, "I'm feeling tired," can prompt the car to adjust seat massage functions, ambient lighting, and climate control to help keep the driver alert. The augmented reality navigation system overlays directions directly onto a live camera feed, making city driving and complex intersections easier and safer than ever before. Comfort has always been a defining trait of the E-Class, and the 2026 model raises the bar once again. The seats are designed with long-distance travel in mind, offering heating, ventilation, and multiple massage programs. Rear seat passengers enjoy increased legroom thanks to the extended wheelbase, along with optional rear climate controls and premium entertainment features. Noise insulation has been further improved, creating an exceptionally quiet cabin even at highway speeds. Under the hood, the 2026 Mercedes E-Class offers a range of advanced powertrains designed to meet different driving preferences and global regulations. Mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid options play a major role, combining efficiency with smooth and responsive performance. The mild hybrid systems use an integrated starter generator to provide extra torque during acceleration, reduce fuel consumption, and enable ultra-smooth stop-start functionality. For those seeking stronger performance, turbocharged petrol and diesel engines remain available in select markets, refined for better emissions and improved drivability. The plug-in hybrid variants are particularly impressive, offering extended electric-only driving ranges that allow many daily commutes to be completed without using any fuel at all. When the combustion engine does kick in, it does so seamlessly, maintaining the refined character expected from a Mercedes. Driving dynamics in the 2026 E-Class strike a perfect balance between comfort and control. The suspension system, especially when equipped with adaptive dampers or optional air suspension, glides over rough roads while remaining composed during spirited driving. Steering is precise yet relaxed, making the car equally enjoyable on winding roads and long highway cruises. Multiple driving modes allow the driver to tailor the car's behavior, from ultra-comfortable to more dynamic and engaging. Safety has always been at the core of the E-Class identity, and the 2026 model continues that tradition with an impressive suite of advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking come standard or optional depending on the market. The system is now more predictive, using data from cameras, radar, and navigation maps to anticipate potential hazards before they occur. One of the standout advancements is the improved semi-autonomous driving capability. In certain conditions, the E-Class can handle steering, acceleration, and braking with minimal driver input, making long journeys significantly less stressful. Mercedes has also enhanced occupant protection with improved airbag systems and structural reinforcements designed to absorb and distribute impact forces more effectively. Technology in the 2026 E-Class isn't just about screens and sensors, it's about creating a connected ecosystem. Over-the-air updates ensure the car continues to improve over time, adding new features and refining existing ones without the need for dealership visits. Smartphone integration is seamless, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while built-in connectivity allows access to streaming services, real-time traffic updates, and smart home integration. From an ownership perspective, the 2026 Mercedes E-Class positions itself as a smart investment in modern luxury. It delivers the prestige and comfort expected from the brand while embracing electrification and digital innovation. Whether you are a business professional seeking a refined daily driver, a family looking for comfort and safety, or an enthusiast who appreciates advanced engineering, the E-Class adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle. What truly sets the 2026 E-Class apart is its ability to feel both familiar and revolutionary at the same time. It respects the heritage of a nameplate that has defined executive sedans for decades, while confidently stepping into the future with technology that feels genuinely useful rather than overwhelming. Every drive feels calm, controlled, and quietly impressive, reminding you why the E-Class has always been considered the benchmark in its segment. As the automotive world rapidly evolves toward electrification and intelligent mobility, the 2026 Mercedes E-Class stands as a clear statement from Mercedes-Benz. It shows that luxury doesn't have to be loud, performance doesn't have to be aggressive, and technology doesn't have to be complicated. Instead, everything works together in harmony, creating a driving experience that feels effortless, sophisticated, and unmistakably Mercedes. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes E-Class is not just an update, it is a thoughtful reinvention of what a modern luxury sedan should be. It blends tradition with innovation, comfort with intelligence, and elegance with efficiency, making it one of the most compelling vehicles in its class and a true reflection of where the future of premium mobility is heading.